Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dreaming Good Disney 24/7. Hope you're all okay on this rainy May week. Ugh, you wouldn't think it was May, would you? So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I like to vlog all things Disney, as obviously the name suggests. And if you're not new then, welcome back and welcome to another weekly ramblings from me. So first, before I start, tell you what the vlog's about, if you've not read the title. This week I've reached 500 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that. Thank you so much to anyone who's subscribed, whether it's from the beginning of my channel, whether you're just new to my channel. It really does mean a lot, and it's almost coming up to a year since I uploaded our first vlog, which is our pre-travel day, which I'll link somewhere about. So if you want to check that out, it was obviously our Disney World trip in 2019. So yeah, to get to this 500 subscribers in just under a year is incredible. So thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported my channel. You really don't know how much that means to me. I've got some stuff coming up soon, as if you watched last week's vlog. So another Disney vlog series, I think not Disney World vlog series, is on the way. But anyway, Oscar speech done, so I'll move on to what this week's vlog about. So a while ago I entered a competition from Scott Draws Disney. I've unwrapped some of his artwork before on previous vlogs. Again, I'll link those somewhere along the line. And yes, I won a competition. I won some artwork. And you could donate money to a mental health charity, which I was more than happy to do. So I think it's a very important charity, and especially when the way things have been, something that definitely needs some investment. So anyway, this artwork has come. I've unwrapped all the packaging, obviously, besides this, to make it easy to get into. Otherwise we'll be sat here for ages watching me unwrap this. So if you've watched any of my vlogs before with unwrapping some of his artwork's fantastic. He is so clever and so talented. Obviously they've also got their own channel, Scott and Amy as well, so I'll link all his Instagram page, their Instagram page and YouTube channel at the end in the description box. So let's get this open. I'm gonna need my own house and my own room soon to house his artwork. Oh, look at that. That is so lovely. Let's have a look at it. Oh, look at Mr. Potato Head. That is so cool. I really can't wait to hang that. I need to try and find somewhere to hang all this artwork up, because it's really lovely. But fantastic. Oh, I think the light is shining on it, so if I can, different aspects of the painting, as you can see. Yeah, so fantastic. So thank you, Scott, so much for this. I'm so pleased I won, and yes, I just need to find another wall to put your stuff on, because it's you have a lot of your artwork and it's very fun. It's very good. So thank you very much. This is probably going to be quite a short vlog this week. I'll just wrap up the wrapping paper. Yeah, so I'll have another look at it. So here is the artwork. It's on canvas. So please go and check out their Instagram page and obviously their YouTube channel, because he does a lot of vlogs on his artwork that he does, and it's really talented. And recently he did some artwork for The Simpsons, which I really love, because we're big Simpsons fans in our house. So please go and check out his channel and Instagram page as well. So it's only a short vlog this week, just to show off the artwork that I won in the competition. So very nice. So thank you, Scott and Amy, really appreciate that. Yeah, so I will leave it here for today. Like I said, a short one, so I'm sure you're all chuffed about, because we've all got stuff to do. So thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see what we've got coming up next, and I'll see you soon, and take care. Bye.